Hello, and welcome to this meditation on math anxiety. I've had math anxiety since I was in grade school, and it can be a burden when people are taking tests, such as the dietetic registration exam. This is to possibly help improve confidence in math anxiety and to improve test scores. And while I cannot guarantee this will work, I can try my best to ease some tension. I am not a licensed physician, therapist, or any of that. I'm an average Joe who's just using guided meditation for over 15 years, and I'm doing my best. So let's begin. Now find a spot comfortable to you, a safe space. Pause this video until you do so, and make sure to either sit or lay down. I'll give you a minute to do so. Now, take a few deep, long breaths. In and out. 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 Notice your presence and what lies next to you. You are in a safe space where you will not be bothered during the meditation. This safe space makes you feel more calm than how you previously felt before listening to this video. Now, let's do this again, but close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now take a deep breath. In and out. 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 Notice any feeling in your toes. Notice how tension in the toes is leaving the body. In and out. Notice any heavy feeling in your heels is leaving the body. In and out. Your calves that were once tight are becoming softer. In and out. Your thighs, which were once heavy, are now becoming lighter. Feel your stomach extend and contract. Any tightness that you may have had in your stomach is now leaving the body. As we move up, notice any heaviness in your shoulders. Notice that they are now leaving the body. As we finish our body scan, notice any pressure in our head begins to leave the body. We are now finished with our body scan, and we can feel total relaxation. Any pressure and tense has now left the body, and we are now calm and light. Take one last deep breath. In and out. Anxiety can have many forms, including test anxiety. Anxiety tells us that our bodies cannot take control, but our bodies now remind us that we can take control of the anxiety. Our bodies remind us that we are now in control of our anxiety. Whenever we feel that we are not in control, our bodies will remind us that we are in control. Whenever we feel that we are not in control of math knowledge, our bodies remind us that we are in control of math knowledge. Whenever we think that we are not in control of solving formulas, our bodies remind us that we are in control of solving formulas. Whenever we think we have forgotten a formula, our bodies remind us that we are in control of remembering formulas. Whenever we read a question and feel overwhelmed, our bodies remind us that we are able to break the question down and feeling of being overwhelmed goes away. Whenever we see numbers in a sentence, our bodies remind us that they are nothing to be afraid of. Whenever we see numbers, we are reminded of comfort because we have solved these problems before with ease. Whenever we question if we are using the right formula, our bodies remind us that we have used it right in the past and will be able to remember it again. Whenever we get a formula, our bodies remind us that we have plenty of time to remember the formula. Whenever we second guess solving a formula, our bodies remind us that we have solved it correctly before and are solving it correctly again. Whenever we feel scared of numbers, our bodies remind us that we have nothing to be scared of. Whenever someone feels scared of numbers, our bodies tell us to not be scared because we are no longer scared of numbers. Whenever we feel scared of numbers, our bodies remind us that math is our friend and is not here to hurt us. Whenever we feel scared of numbers, our bodies remind us that math is here to help us on our daily lives. Whenever we feel scared of math, our bodies remind us that math is a nice topic that cares about us being successful. Whenever we feel scared of math, our bodies remind us that we have nothing to fear when thinking of math. Whenever we think of math, our bodies remind us all of the times that we have gotten the right answer when doing a formula in the past. Whenever we think of math, we associate it with success that's come from the past. Whenever we think of math, we think of how smart we are in the subject. Whenever we think of math, we associate it with past feelings of not being scared. Whenever we think of math, we now associate it with us being successful. Whenever we think of math, we now associate it with past feelings that have now been resolved. Whenever we think of math, we identify it as a strong topic that we are fluent in. Whenever we think of math, we no longer tell others that it is a hard subject. Whenever we think of math, we associate it with ease. Whenever we think of math, we associate it with proving that we are smart. Whenever we think of math, it reminds us that we are smart enough to have taught classmates and friends in the past when they have struggled. In the future, anytime we think of math, we associate it with ease, happiness, confidence, and success. Math is not scary. He is calm and collected. Math is here to help us with daily activities. Math is here to help us. Math does not judge us. Math does not determine how smart we are. Math is here to guide us in the right direction. Math provides us with confidence and understanding of concepts. Math formulas are not hard for us anymore. Math is easier than we remember it being. Math is here to guide us in the right direction. We feel more confident when we do math formulas. When we don't know math formulas, we have plenty of time to play with numbers and find the right formula. Math does not fear us, and we do not fear it. When we don't know the math formula, we do not resort to guessing on an answer. We have plenty of time in the test to find the right answer. We are capable of finding the right answer even if we don't know the answer right away. We will do better on math tests in the future. We will do better on math tests in the future because we are confident. We will do better on math tests in the future because we are smart. We will do better on math tests in the future because we have studied enough. We will do better on math tests because we know the material very well and it becomes natural to us. We will do better on math tests because we know that we are no longer scared of math. We will do better on math tests because we associate math with feelings of calm and confidence. We will do better on math tests because whenever we feel nervous, we can feel grounded by taking deep breaths. We are in control of math. 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 We will do well in math tests. We have a good relationship with math. We no longer fear math. We have a good relationship with math. We have a good relationship with math. We start to feel ease in our head, in our shoulders. We start to feel ease in our stomach and our thighs. We start to feel ease in our calves, our heels, and our toes. We now feel alert in our toes and heels and calves. We start to feel alert in our stomach and our thighs. We start to feel alert in our shoulders and our head. Our mind returns alert and at peace. Our mind feels calm and collected when thinking of math. We now open our eyes, feeling each breath as math confidence enters the body. We feel nerves of math leaving the body when we breathe out. We will do well on math equations in the future. We will do better on math equations in the future. You will now feel better in the future on math tests, and any time you feel nervous, you will remind yourself to breathe in and out slowly. You will feel your breath in and out, as your mind will only focus on breathing. Once your mind focuses on breathing, it will change to math thoughts associated with feeling calm and collected. From now on, when you feel nervous, you will associate memories of success and confidence in past math equations that you got the right answer to. I wish myself the best of luck in my upcoming tests, and I know that I will do great no matter what, because math is not the devil and it does not define my future success.